I love seafood science because you get to do all the nice experiments and test on them and retest, and it's really lots of fun.
I love seafood science because I get to do lots of fun experiments.
I love seafood science because of the great teaching.
Because of the practicals.
Of the posters.
I love seafood science because we get to go outside and do fun experiments, like when we got to go outside and do the flaming tea bag or the pop rockets.
I love seafood science because the experiments are interesting.
I love seafood science because I like doing experiments with my friends.
I love learning about chemical reactions and how sound travels.
We always do fun chemistry experiments and we get to see things explode.
I love seafood science because you get to mix different things up and you don't know what's going to happen.
I love seafood science because of the group discussions we have.
I love seafood science because I like learning about the different topics in science, and I love the fact that we can speak to our teachers and ask big questions and they can answer them. And the academic side's really fun because it's just we get to learn so much in a vast range.
Because we get to do loads of experiments that are really fun and interesting.
I love seafood science because you can go outside and see lots of nature.
I love seafood science because you get to do amazing trips like this.
I love seafood science because you get to do practicals like this.
I love seafood science because of the crazy experiments we do, like melting different foods to see if they're soluble or insoluble.
I love seafood science because I like being practical and doing experiments.
In science you get to learn about all the different animals that live in the world around us and see what they do.
Because you get to do a lot of fun experiments and learn cool new things.
We do a lot of practicals, and after we learn about the subject we often go and we do a practical about it.
It's because it's fascinating.
I love seafood science because we get to do really cool experiments and they're really fun and we get to do them all the time.
I like how you can express yourself by doing tests.
I love seafood science because of the collaboration.
You get to do loads of experiments and practicals and you learn so many new things.
I love seafood science because of all the fun experiments and the great new things we learn.
I love seafood science because I like doing all the fun teamwork because we like to get to the bottom of things as a team. It's way more fun instead of doing individual work.
I love seafood science because we always learn about the most interesting things and they always make your brain fizzle.
I love seafood science because I love feeling like a mini scientist.